Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how you can turn GoHighLevel into a 10k per month SaaS business. If you have been thinking about starting your own service business online, this video will give you a clear idea of how to do it step by step. But before we dive in, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to boost your income. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses to get started with GoHighLevel. Now let's back to the video. So first of all, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing platform. It lets you to manage email marketing, SMS campaign, CRM, funnels and many more, all from one place. The cool part is that it allows you to white labeling. So that means you can sell it as your own software to your clients. Now, the way to turn it into a 10k per month business is by offering it as a SaaS. You can sign up for GoHighLevel, set up a branded version for your business, and then sell the subscriptions to other business owners who need marketing tools but don't want to manage multiple software. The key features you can sell are the automation for marketing campaigns, email and SMS management, appointment booking, sales funnel, and reporting dashboard. Clients love it because it saves them a lot of time and money. You can create different plans like basic, standard, and the premium depending on how many features they need. One more tip is to focus on local business. Many small business need marketing tool but they don't know how to use them. You can offer them GoHighLevel as a service. You can set it up for them and charge a monthly fee. With just 20 to 30 clients on a 300 per month, let's say, you can easily reach the 10k per month. Now let's talk about the pricing. Basically, pricing is flexible. GoHighLevel offers different kind of plans depending on feature. For a beginner who is starting with the SaaS, the basic plan is enough to start and offering your services. And remember, the money you make from your client is yours. So it can grow fast once you get a few subscriptions. So basically that's how you can turn GoHighLevel into a 10k per month SaaS business. If you want more tips on making money with technology, then subscribe to Easy Access Tech channel and don't forget to check the link in the description to get the GoHighLevel and start your journey today. So that's all for today's video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.